We're at the cabin today. This is the front entryway. Off to the right is our laundry room. This is an AC, the water closet area. Shelving that I'll use for cleaning. Oh, hey guys. Fireplace. This is the owner's closet. All my windows and trees. The granite. Dining area. Kitchen, huge kitchen. And these are my tubs. They're rounded tubs. This. We have our half bath. This is the bunk nook. So they lowered it so that there's actually an even amount of space between each bunk. And then there's ladders on each side. All right, over here, one of the bedrooms, closets, and then my favorite bathroom because there's so much light. A rain head shower is supposed to go in. The other master, bigger closet. Hi, James. And then the second full bath. The tub will go here.